Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I Tapas sir, your language teacher. Today I am going to teach class 5 students grammar way. Today's lesson is lesson number 18. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 18, which is the last lesson for your annual exam course. Let's see the lesson. Lesson 18 is article. Today's lesson is article. So let's start the lesson, children. A, N and the are called articles. An article gives us some information about a noun. Article are 3 in number. First is A, second N and third one is the. These are called articles. They are generally used before nouns and they say something about a noun. First of all, A and N are called indefinite article. A and N are called indefinite article. The is called definite article. A and N are called indefinite article and the is called definite article. A. The article A means one. A means one. It is called A. We use A before singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound that other than A, E, I, O, U. Means A is used when the noun is singular or one. A is generally used before the word which sound consonant. So consonant generally have 21 in numbers. Alphabet 26 are there in English. From 26, 5 of them are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Other than vowels, the rest of the alphabets are consonant. Now any word begin with this consonant have A before them, like a bat, a city, a house, a lady. We use A before word that begins with the letter E or U that has the sound of U. Generally A is used before consonant and sometimes A is also used before the vowels letter like U or E, but the reason is we write A before the U and E vowel because they sound U, Y-O-O-U. Pronunciation word generally have A before them, like a university, a uniform, a union, a European city. All these 4 words pronounce U. So U pronounce word generally have A before them even though they begins with a vowel U and E. We use A when we talk about a noun for the first time. Do you have a spare pencil? There seems to be a stranger outside the door. When we talk any noun for the first time in the sentence, we generally use, if it is singular is there, we generally use A before them. You can see, do you have a spare pencil? First time we are talking about extra pencil, spare pencil. So A is used before it. And singular, pencil is also singular in number. And second one, there seems to be a stranger outside the door. Stranger also singular. So A is used before stranger. Now about N, a pencil, an article N also seems one. We use N before singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. When we use vowel sound A, E, I, O, U before them, we generally use N, and N is also used before singular noun. But the reason behind using A and N, the difference is A generally used before consonant sound word, N is used before vowels word. Like apple, A is vowel, so an apple. Egg, E is vowel, an egg. Igloo, I is vowel, so an igloo. Orange, O is vowel, so an orange. Umbrella, U is vowel, an umbrella. We use N before word that begins with a silent H. You can see some of the words are there even though they don't have any vowel. Then also we use N before them, like our, here, honest man, honor. All these four words pronounce W. Pronounce W where H is silent, like our, we don't pronounce H. Our O pronunciation or W pronunciation you use here also. E is there, we use here, so H is silent. Honest, O is used here, O pronunciation. Honor also O pronunciation. So before all this we have N before them. We use N when we talk about a noun for the first time. Here also same case, when we talk a noun about first time in the sentence, we use N before them if the word or noun begins with vowel. You can see, I saw an owl in the park today. Owl, O is there, so N is written before owl. Shall we carry an umbrella? Here also umbrella first singular, because umbrella begins with U vowel, that's why N is written before it. Then we will know about the article. We use the for a particular noun. A particular noun, particular person, place, animal or thing. When we use A or N, we means any person, place, animal or thing. When we use the, we means a particular person, place, animal and thing. The is used before the noun which is proper. Particular noun means proper noun or definite noun we are talking about. We use the before them. Difference between A and the is that A and N is used before any type of noun, but the is used before a particular or proper noun having a name before it. The noun having a name, before that noun we have to use the. Example, eat a banana. Any banana it is written, so eat a banana. Eat the banana kept on the table. Eat only that banana which is kept on the table. So we are talking about that banana which is kept on the table. I can hear a person singing. So here I need person, it is not name is given here. So I can hear a person singing. Here the person who is singing is my friend. Here I am talking about the person who is singing is my friend. So particular that person I am talking about who is my friend. So here the will be used before the person. We use A and N when we mention a noun for the first time. As I told you in the beginning, A and N are usually used before the noun which is the sentence which we use for the first time. When that same noun is repeated in the second half of the sentence, we use the before that noun. We can see when we speak of that noun again we use the. Example, so I will show you. I saw a parrot. You can see I saw a parrot. Parrot is singular, so A is used before it. And P, A-R-R-O-T, P is consonant, so A is used before parrot. But when that sentence continue, you can see the parrot was perched on the branch of that tree. I am talking about that same parrot in that same sentence. That time I have to use the, because here particular that parrot I am talking about which I have told in the first part of the sentence. So here I have to use the. Neera saw a policeman. The policeman wanted to meet her father. Neera saw a policeman. I am talking about any policeman, so a policeman. But when I repeat that policeman in that same sentence again, the policeman wanted to meet her father. That same policeman whom Neera saw wanted to meet her father. So here the is used before the policeman. We also use the with the following. We use, in many other cases also we use the, like name of river, sea, ocean, gulf, bay, mountain, ranges. In these cases we generally use the, you can see, the Gangas, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalaya. These are all name of some oceans or mountain range or river. So you can use the before them. Name of well-known building. Now any type of building or monument, fort, we generally use the before them. Some of the examples: the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Gateway of India, the Eiffel Tower. So these are all monuments or buildings which are special. So we use before them the. The name of holy books. Any type of holy books of Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Parsis, Buddhist, Sikh, any type of holy book belong to any religion, we use the before them. Example: the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Next comes name of newspaper. Any newspaper, you have to write the before them, like the Times of India, the Indian Express. Times of India and Indian Express are two newspapers, so they are name of the newspaper, so the is written before them. Name of train, aeroplane, ship. Name of train, aeroplane and ship. So you can see any type of train, any type of aeroplane name or ship name, we can write the before them. Example: the Shatabdi train, the Titanic ship, the Air Force One American President aeroplane. All are name of train, ship and aeroplane. So the is written before them. Now bit number A, fill in the blanks with A and N. As I told you, A is generally used before consonant sound and N is used before vowel. This is an engineer, but she is a singer. He is an engineer, but she is a singer. Here engineer E is vowel, so N is used before it. Here singer S is consonant, so A is written before it. 2. A man with a broken leg is standing outside. Both man M is consonant, broken B is consonant, so both the case A is written. Third one, Mira lives in an old house in dash Delhi. Here old O is vowel, so N is written, but as name of a place we generally don't use the, so cross it will not A Delhi, N Delhi or the Delhi. It will be left unused, because any particular city name we don't use the before them. Fourth one, a European and an Italian went to dash Germany. European, as I told you, even though E is vowel, we use A because of pronunciation U. U pronounced word generally have A before them. And Italian, I is vowel, so N is written before them. And Germany being the name of a country, we don't use the before any particular country name, except the United States of America, the United Kingdom. We use the before them. Rest of the country we don't use any article before them. I bought a new hat and a new shirt yesterday. New N is consonant, so A is used before them. Shirt S is consonant, so A is used before them. B. Fill in the blanks with article. You should carry either an umbrella or a raincoat. Here umbrella U is vowel, so N is used before it. Raincoat R is consonant, so A is used before raincoat. A lion and an ox ran a race. The lion won the race. Lion is L is the consonant, so A is used before it. But when I repeat that same lion in that same sentence, you can see second case, the lion won the race. Here I am repeating the lion once again in the sentence, so I have to use the before it. Oxen O is vowel, that's why N is used before. This is the only time I am lending you my notes. O is vowels. This is so the only time means a particular time I am telling. So this is the only time I am lending your book. So the is used before it. The Hooghly River, name of a river. So the is used before it. The Hooghly River flow into the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is name of a sea. So the is used before both the case. Neha is going to a hill station on the last day of the month. Here hill station H is consonant, so A is used before it. And a particular, I am talking about the day last day. So it is a particular day, so the is used before a particular day. So the is used before the last day of the month. Children, this lesson is over. Very important lesson article. Thank you children for watching this video. Please repeat it again and again and watch it attentively and listen what I said in this video to understand more about this lesson. Till we meet again with another such video. Bye bye. Have a good day.